Stop by and take a look at the 2022 Tacoma. Toyota Tacoma boasts a roomy interior, a powerful V6 option, and excellent off-road capability, and has been named the best-selling compact pickup by MotorIntelligence.com 5 years in a row, and is priced below $50,000. This vehicle has less than 15,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: four-wheel drive, tire pressure monitor, tow hitch, aluminum wheels, brake assist, stability control, daytime running lights, privacy glass, fog lamps, front disc rear drum brakes. Wouldn't you look great in this vehicle? Stop in today and see for yourself.
We know that the idea of buying a used Toyota is attractive to you. After all, getting a high-quality, low-mileage Toyota at a great price is a smart move. That's why we created the Toyota Certified Used program. It's the smart choice.